I have quite the amount of clothes. I have a lot of clothes, and so I'm trying to get rid of a lot of those clothes. And by doing that, I'm just going to basically take all the clothes that I've amassed over the some few years that I haven't grown since 7th grade. I'm going to take them to a store where hopefully they will buy some of the things that they think are still cute and purchasable, you know, on trend. A lot of the stuff is from 7th grade, so I don't know what they're gonna actually buy from me. And then from there, the rest I'm just going to donate because I need this shit out. I took a whole wardrobe with me to college, and it looks like I still have a whole closet in there. So we're going to sell most of these clothes. Hopefully, fingers crossed, because your girl needs shmoney. And yeah, we're just gonna hope. This is part 2 to my closet clean out that I started back in the beginning of quarantine. And well, I went to college, and now here I am. Today's video is not sponsored. Okay.
Baby shampoo, come and save me. I've been missing lady luck ever since she started hating. I've been waking up too early. I miss our crazy hazes in the middle of the night. Watch the stars from different places, and the phases we call love won't ever start to change. But do you ever wake up feeling like everything is strange? We should buy a one-way ticket and board onto a plane and fly it straight into a black hole somewhere out in outer space, girl. Baby, it's you. Baby, it's true.
Look at that, you can see the floor. So, it is now the next morning. I'm going to get dressed in more stylish clothing. I don't know, wash my face a little bit, take my drugs, and then head on out and drop them off. Okay, some bad lighting. Anyways, we have all the clothes, and now we're gonna go sell them because, well, I want to get rid of shit.
So now we're going to your bedroom. Don't you think we're moving too soon? I love to hear you when you complain about your best friend, how she's so late. And as you're talking, I start thinking all the details start to sink in. But I don't care about the right now. Spend the summer in this beach house. 'Cause I was right.
I've never rushed into my car so fast because a guy was trying to wave at me, and I was so uncomfortable. But I got my coffee, I took some photos, and we're fine. I was just very... Great, it's fine, I love it. Beautiful. And
I just can't focus. I love to hear your crazy theories about conspiracies on TV. I know the truth and it's so simple. Blame it all on stupid impulse, and I keep living out of my
successful, but also not successful because I came back with all of my bags still pretty much full. And I made a whopping total $97 off of 13 pieces of clothing, which was insane. But still didn't really accomplish my goal of getting rid of my clothes, to say the least. Still came back with all of my stuff. Other than that, I think that's all for this video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I will see you guys in the next time I clean out my closet. Who knows? Take care.